'tis the season. Open enrollment season, that is. We have Christian Brindle, the CEO of Everything Senior Insurance, joining us back on the couch this afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing awesome.
Good. Okay, tell us about your agency.
Yes, so we run a company called Everything Senior Insurance. We're located in Sandy, and we service Utah residents on their Medicare needs. And so, we service the entire state of Utah. So sometimes people think that we can only work with people down in Sandy locally to where we are, but we actually work with people over the entire state.
Wow, that's amazing. And you've been around for so many years doing just this. So tell us more about Medicare.
Yes, so Medicare is probably the most complicated form of health insurance that there is right now.
Okay.
I don't know if there's anything that really trumps it necessarily, and it's kind of ironic from the standpoint that it is designed for older Americans where they are the most vulnerable, and it's a little tricky because it is so complicated and there's so much of a need to get things right, when it comes to seniors and everything like that. But Medicare is government provided insurance. It's available when somebody's 65 or older, or if they're under 65 they can get it if they meet certain disabilities.
Yes.
But Medicare comes with a lot of holes. There's a lot of things it doesn't cover, like doesn't cover everything on your medical costs. It doesn't cover prescriptions, doesn't cover dental, vision, or hearing. And so there's a big need there to plug up those holes by getting the entire array of packages put together properly.
So you're there to help fill in the gaps.
Yes.
Because you know it best. You've studied it, and for those who are older and may not know, myself included, what to do. And right now is a good time because it's open enrollment season.
Yes, exactly. I like to tell our clients that we eat, sleep, and breathe Medicare. And so our job is to navigate the chaos and the maze of it so they don't have to necessarily, and we can kind of just simplify the entire experience for them.
Oh, that's so reassuring. And just like your name says, Everything Senior Insurance.
Yes.
So you're there for our seniors. You're going to take care of every one of their needs when it comes to insurance. So what insurance companies do you work with?
Yes, so we work with a huge litany of insurance companies. To mention a couple in particular, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Utah, Select Health, Humana, United Healthcare, Aetna, Mutual of Omaha, amongst multiple others. That's just a couple of the bigger names that people might recognize.
You mentioned before like how the older generation often gets misled, and this time of year we have an abundance of scammers. How can we avoid that activity, or how are we kind of like hyper aware of that?
Yeah, I think there's a couple things that are important to watch for this time of the year, because when it is open enrollment, the scammers and the bad actors are in full-fledged. They're all over the place. They kind of, it's easy to kind of get confused between the people that are legitimately there to help you and the ones that are trying to take advantage of you if you're a Medicare recipient. And so some things to watch out for are, if someone calls you and they're saying they're from Social Security or Medicare and they're asking for personal information, they're probably not, because they're never going to call you and ask for your information because they already have it. The other thing is making sure that you're working with somebody that has a trusted name, a trusted brand, that is going to kind of point you in the right direction. So I think, being able to verify the authenticity of somebody is going to be huge this time of the year. You don't want to just work with someone that calls you out of the blue. Okay,
well, 12 years of trusted service all across the state of Utah.
Yes.
So you can easily give them a call or go online to set up an appointment.
That's right. That's right. Yeah, we've, formerly we were known as Christian Brindle Insurance Services. We actually started named after me because I was, for a while there, I was the only person in the company. And in the past year or so, we rebranded to Everything Senior Insurance. But we have 12 years of experience, like you said, and we have thousands of satisfied customers and perfect 5-star reviews anywhere you can leave reviews.
Okay, wonderful. Well, be sure to book an appointment with him, schedule an appointment, and there's no cost obligation, right?
That's correct. Yeah, there's no cost for our services. There's no obligation. And not only do we help clients find the best plan for them, but we help them once they're on the plan on an ongoing basis. So I like to say our service is a lifetime of their policy.
Well, Christian, thank you so much for your time. Be sure to give him a call or go online for more information. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Of course.